Hi everyone, this is Richa Mehta and we're live here today for the next episode of Trending Live with Richa Mehta. I would like to thank the sponsors of the show, Ramnatan Group and Fashion Screws. So now bring on the guest of the show, the Bollywood actress, Aditi Govithrekar.
Hi, Richa, how are you?
I'm good, how are you Aditi?
Very, very well. Thank you.
Aditi, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Aditi Govithrekar is an Indian model, actress, and a doctor. Besides this, she was the Mrs. World 2001, Gladrax Mega Model winner 1996. She has launched PETA in India and has endorsed a lot of top international brands. So, Aditi, we would like to hear a few lines or words before I'll explain the format of the show.
Well, it's a pleasure being with you, Richa, and we all are under very unprecedented circumstances right now. So, I am part of this show as well as my Dr. A Talks, which I conduct on my Instagram every alternate day now, is to spread positivity and cheer given the circumstances. I think that is required. The reason why I say that is also because um, we need to keep our immunity really strong. That is one part of being able to battle the virus that is going around. And if you're not stressed out, then your immunity directly is stronger. So keep an eye on your immunity. Take care of yourself so that you're not stressed out and your immunity remains strong.
Well, spreading positivity is the only good thing and the best thing which we do right now, right?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I can't hear you.
Am I
Can you
audible?
hear me now, Richa?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Aditi, am I audible? Well, I think there's some network issue at Aditi's end. Oh, she's back.
Can
We'll
you
just
hear
check.
me now?
Aditi, am I audible?
No. Let me just check with the earphones.
Okay.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Am I audible to you? No?
I can't hear you.
Um, okay, let's so the
Check,
production
check.
can check.
Should I just log in again because I can't seem to hear you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, I think there's some network issue on Aditi's end, and we were just talking about the Instagram live which she is doing every alternate day. Well, this show is also about spreading positivity, and we are doing it twice a week with celebrities. And today we have Aditi with us. On Saturday, we have somebody special who is a former football captain who is coming to our show. And I particularly am very excited because we're trying our best to get celebrities from different ways and different streams, rather industries, to be part of this show. So till the time production team is setting this, we can. Hi, she's back.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Hi, I can
Yes,
hear you now. Yes.
perfect, perfect. So you were talking about your
Sorry, I missed the last bit. Can you hear me?
yeah, you were talking about your show.
Yes. Yeah, so that's why I started this show, and it's pretty much to spread positivity.
So this is also in the same lines, and I'll quickly explain you the format of the show. The show will only be of 7 to 10 minutes, where we will only talking about positivity, fun, and entertainment. Okay, so we'll just start with the first round,
Sure.
going down the memory lane with Aditi Govithrakar. That's how I have named the first round. I'll ask you a few questions about your uh, your experience with television and films which you have done previously, and you have to answer them in few seconds. Okay. So you are the winner of 1996 Gladrax Mega Model Contest. Do you know who was the first model to win the contest?
First model ever? I am not sure. No, no, I don't
So
know.
I'll give you a few hints, okay? And
Okay.
so the first year was 1994, and she is a South actress.
Shweta Menon?
Yes, yes, you have got it.
Okay. I had
Yeah.
thought Shweta Menon, but then I was not 100%, so I didn't take her name.
Okay, so Shweta Menon, Lara Datta, and then it was
And
you.
then, yeah.
Okay, so you were part of Big Boss season 3. Do
Yeah.
you remember the winner?
My winner?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah.
Yes.
Bindu Tara Singh. Bindu Tara Singh.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. What was the name of the show you judged on DD National?
Star Yaar Kalakar?
Right. It was in 2006. Wow. Wow. This is going really. You won the Rajiv Gandhi Award in 2001 along with one male actor. Do you remember who he was?
Was Govinda, I think.
Yes. Yes.
Thank God.
Okay. What was the name of your character in your debut Hindi movie? Soch in 2002.
It was like a cute sa naam tha kuch. It was
Ha.
almost like a short
It,
form of a name. I can't remember now. No.
it starts with M.
No. I don't remember. I'm so bad with names anyway.
It's Madhulika.
Madhulika, yes, of course.
Okay. Now we come on to the round 2. It's either this or that. So I'll give you two options and you have to choose one. Okay. And this is again like a rapid fire kind of a thing. Alright. So Aditi at Goa beach or trekking on mountains?
Goa Beach.
Okay. Aditi reading books or relaxing at couch?
Reading books any day.
Okay. Comedy at times or always some drama?
Comedy.
Aditi loves crazy cats or faithful dogs?
Well, I've had both, and I have to say that I have become a fan of dogs. I have a dog right now called Ace, and he's simply adorable.
Okay.
So, dogs it is.
Okay. Aditi the doctor, Aditi the actor?
A doctor actor.
Fun.
Sorry.
And if you have to choose one.
Then I would say counselor, because that's another thing which I'm doing right now.
Oh,
So I'll pick a third.
when we met in Delhi and you were talking about the counselor thing which
Yes,
you were.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Summer की गर्मी या winter का chill?
It's my God. Can I pick monsoon? Okay, I'll pick summer ki garmi because I'm not very fond of winter. I can't bear the cold, so yeah.
Okay. Tea addict or coffee lover?
Tea addict.
De Danadan or Bheja Fry 2?
I would say De Danadan. The reason being that my role was longer. I had more screen time, and people still remember me from De Danadan. Even now, when I do my talks, people are saying, "Oh, we watched De Danadan currently," you know. So I'm remembered more for De Danadan than Bheja Fry. So I would pick De Danadan.
Okay. Beauty or brains? Well, I know you will say both, but if you have to pick one,
Brains.
brains. I knew it. So you believe in saving or you spend a lot?
I believe in balancing, which is pretty much in almost all aspects of my life. I try to achieve that. So I love spending. I mean, I am a big spender if I let myself lose, but no, I save some part of it for sure. Yes,
Okay.
for the rainy day. Yeah.
So last question of this round: are you a movie person or peaceful dinner date person?
Sorry, what was the first part? It wasn't clear.
Movie date person.
Dinner, anytime.
Dinner.
Dinner and conversations. Yes.
Okay, that's amazing. So
Thank
we're
you.
on round 3. That's the last round of the show. I will say so. You have to guess the song. I will say.
Oh
The
dear
line
God,
is-
I'm so bad at this.
So
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, I will help you. I will help you. And we have to sing the song, okay?
Oh,
One
no. You don't want to lose your audience. I'm not a singer.
song.
I'll
Oh,
try my best to say the song.
okay. So I will say one line in English and you have to guess the song in Hindi. Okay?
Okay.
The first one. The night is still left and so are our talks. Let it happen, whatever
Raat
has.
baki, baat baki.
Yes, yes. So sing it. Do you remember the lyrics of the song?
Richa, you sing, I'll clap at the back. I'll be the
No,
cheerleader at the back. I'm not a
I
singer.
also I'm not a good singer.
I'm terrible. I'm not even
रात
a bathroom singer.
बात बाकी होना है जो हो जाने दो. The next one. Because it's only you, always you. My life is only you. My peace also. My pain also.
My what also? Sirf.
My also my
Sirf
pain.
tum something. तुम
क्योंकि
मेरी नो
ही हो बस
तुम
तुम
ही हो तुम ही
हो
हो
जिंदगी तुम ही
ही हो all right okay that is one of my
हो.
favorite songs actually
Yeah. Now the last one. अब ये तो बहुत स्पेशल सॉन्ग है. अब आपको इसको जरूर मेरे साथ गाना है. Okay. Look into my eyes sometimes. Come closer to me sometimes. Try to understand the unspoken word.
मेरे पास आओ मेरे आंखों में देखो वो मेरी आंखों में क्या
You acted in this song.
oh my god really
Should I repeat?
मेरी yeah please
Look into my eyes sometimes. Come closer to me sometimes.
कभी तो
Try
नजर मिलाओ
कभी तो नजर.
I thought eyes आंखें मैं तो
Oh, but
आंखों
you
के
guessed.
बारे में सोच रही थी okay
I gave. I should have
yes
kept now.
yes you're too kind you're a good game host you give away a lot
You have to sing it along. This is
all
it.
right
I
you
mean,
start singing and I will sing with you
okay. कभी तो
तो
नजर
नजर
मिलाओ.
अच्छा you stopped I thought I got disconnected
No, I
I'm
to take the lead and
oh no don't do that because I really am very conscious of my singing because I don't believe I can sing I'm not
I'm
I wish
terrible.
I had the God's gift and the talent that I so admire in all the singers but that's one thing which I don't have so I have to accept what my downfalls are
To me. I'm sure even I don't sing well, but I like to
I love to listen. I love to listen. And I had a couple of, in fact, on my show, I had a couple of guests who came and sang, which was really beautiful. We had Shan. I invited one of the audience members to come on the talk because he said that I want to sing. And that was really beautiful. And I really admire people who have this great voice. Yeah.
true. We are also calling different celebrities on our show. We had the television actors. We have you. Now we are having Baichung Bhutia on Saturday.
Excellent.
And there are a couple of more. So we are also calling different guests. And so Ramratan Group, who is the sponsor of the show, is helping us in getting them.
Right, right.
Okay, so the last bit of the show. Since it's a 7 minutes round show, I would like you to describe yourself in 7 words.
In 7 words, okay. I am empathetic, kind, caring, loving. I am me. I consider myself to be intelligent and generally a good human being.
Oh, I totally vouch for whatever you said because we have so many times in Delhi, and so I totally agree to each and everything you said.
Thank you. It's a little difficult question because I often ask myself who am I and what am I, and then ultimately the answer, actually, frankly, if I want to share with you, it will come as nothing. I'm nobody. I'm nothing. I mean, who am I? I'm made of 5 elements. One day I'm going to die. I'm going to disappear. But that is a little morose. That's a little So I said, okay, fine, let me just go with the flow and say my qualities. But these are my mere qualities, which may change depending on incident. For example, if there is injustice done to somebody, and if I witness it, I'm not going to be kind. I'm not going to be loving and caring. Then I will be Mata Rani, where I will go ahead and take steps to protect the person who is undergoing injustice. If some harm is being caused to somebody, that is something which I will not vouch for at all. So all these qualities which I mentioned, they are not my qualities in that given moment. So qualities change. We change our definition for ourselves. So ultimately, shunyata is it. It is drashta bhav. It is shunyata. So I go into those kind of spiritual aspects of being, because I am a Vipassana practitioner for last 12 years, and when I sit and meditate, of course, you think about all these things. Besides, of course, meditating. So yeah, that's where I come from.
I agree, and since I've been meeting celebrities I mean big personalities, and I would like to tell my audience also that you know I have seen you, I have met you in a lot of shows. You were also the cover personality of one of the companies I own, Fashion Lifestyle Magazine. You
Yes.
are the most humble person I have met. I've never seen
Thank
you
you.
disrespect, whether it's somebody who has went to pick you up or somebody who's coming to take an autograph also. I mean, thank you for being you, and that's the reason I really
Thank you.
a part of the show, because
Thank you
I
so
have.
much. You're very kind.
You're most welcome. So here we come to the end of this show. Trending Live with Richa Mehta, co-powered by Ramratan Group in association with Fashion Spruce. Thank you everyone for watching this show. You can like, subscribe, and follow my official page and YouTube channel. Extending my heartily thanks to Aditi Govitrikar for taking out time and making everybody smile. Indeed, a pleasure to have you today on this show.
Thank
Aditi,
you so
any
much, Richa.
before we end the show?
Well, the message I would like to give is that each person, if you take up and if you help another person, just one person each day, and it need not be materially, it need not be monetarily, it could be anything. Just calling somebody who is staying alone, just checking on that person, or calling up your mother or father, or give maybe a meal to somebody, घर पे जो बना है, just share that with your watchman or with a laborer, and that I think will really take us far. So each one help one. That's what I feel, that if we do that, then we will be in a much better place.
Well, I'm also doing that. And before we end the show, I am associated with one NGO who is helping street dogs because it's too hot.
Yeah.
I am scared of dogs. I am personally, like you said, that you had cat and dog both, but still I went and I overcome my fear and I took
Excellent. Yeah.
bread and roti and I fed those dogs, and then the dog stands right here outside my house
Okay.
every day, and we just and it feels good. It feels good.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
somebody parks at my place, that dog barks. So
Hmm.
I don't know what connection is there, but yes, I mean we should help. We should help at least one person.
One person, yeah. One living being, one person. I mean, it really helps.
So thank you everyone for joining us
Thank
today.
you.
We'll catch up on Saturday. Thank you and adios.